drug abuse in the Nigerian parlance,
Mm-hmm.
because things are changing now. So it's no longer called drug abuse, it's called drug use. The reason is because people call it abuse because they feel like you misuse drugs. That's what they call drug abuse. But every day people eat a lot, they even overeat. Do we call it food abuse? No, we don't. You
It's food
understand?
use.
Food. Anyway, is when someone uses a medication, whether legal or illegal, um, when they use it excess or when they use it without a doctor's prescription. You know, yes, that is what is called drug abuse in the Nigerian parlance. Yeah, a lot of people do that. We are all drug abusers.
Abuser.
If you
So
want to really check
self
it,
medication
self medication. Yes, it's
is not drug
no,
abuse.
but no doctor told you to get flagyl, and because you are feeling stomach a little rumbling in your stomach, you went and bought flagyl and you take.
But sometimes that
You
flagyl
are
self
abusing
work.
it. Hmm? You are
Sometimes
abusing it.
okay, so if doctor don't write prescription for me before,
Mm-hmm.
like I dey get symptoms of dysentery, doctor write prescription, I carry am go pharmacy say
Mm-hmm.
wetin doctor write for me, I don take am,
Mm-hmm.
e don finish.
Mm-hmm.
But after a couple of months,
Mm-hmm.
that thing start again. I still carry the same prescription go
Mm.
pharmacy. Na
The
drug
same
abuse.
prescription,
This same prescription without
Mm-hmm.
going to see the doctor
but
again.
different times.
Different times.
So you see,
Na drug
it
abuse
may
be
be
that.
something else that leads to that, not that particular thing in
But na doctor na im prescribe am
the
before.
previous one.
Mm.
So what if you go there and there are other complications and other things have already piled up before you now go?
You get
So that's the trick in it. So I'm just saying it to make people understand. Okay, when the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. That was said by Miles Monroe. That means if you don't know the purpose of a thing, you are likely to abuse it. You are likely not. Abuse is not using something properly. That's what abuse just means. It's not
Okay.
like it's not
Okay.
using it properly the way it's meant to
So
be used.
sometimes if you drink too much water, e be like say you don dey intoxicated. Na water abuse be that.
And you know there's a certain level of water that your system needs. So if you go overboard, you know, that's when you are misusing the water. So I wouldn't want to use abuse on it because they say water no get energy.